Mahatma Gandhi said, you can't change how people treat you or what they say about you. All you can do is change how you react. Contest master, fellow Toastmasters and honored guest. In our life, there will always be a situation which is not in our hand. There will always be a people who will be beyond our control. There will always be people who will be criticizing us. There will always be people who will not like us. So what should we do when situation is not in our favor? We should respond, not react. But what is the difference between them? When we react, we don't think about it. Response is well thought. Today I would like to share a story to better understand difference between them. Actually, I like telling a story because it's give an important message in a nice way. There was once a restaurant, and in the restaurant there was a lady sitting there and ordered for a pizza. And as she was waiting for the pizza to come, suddenly a cockroach came and landed on her shoulder. How many of you are friendly with cockroaches? Okay, wrong question. How many of you are scared of cockroaches, if not scared, but some kind of restless of cockroaches? Everyone does. So when this cockroach came and landed on the lady's shoulder, she got up. She started some salsa dancing and yelling, shouting, screaming, "Oh my God, oh my God." As she was dancing, she was trying to push the cockroach away. When she pushed it off, that cockroach landed on another lady's shoulder. And now it's her turn to dance. Finally, she also managed to push the cockroach away. And it came and landed on the waiter's shoulder, who was bringing the pizza. The waiter was cool. He didn't do any dance, drama, shouting, screaming. Very gently grabbed the cockroach and threw it out of the restaurant. He went to sanitize or clean his hand, picked the tray of the pizza up, offered to the lady who ordered it, and left. This story tells us a very crucial lesson. Is it the cockroach that makes so much trouble? If it does, why this man didn't do any dance drama? It's not the cockroach, it's the ability to handle the cockroach. Those two ladies did not have the ability to handle the cockroach. That man had. Those two ladies reacted. That man responded. So all of us have cockroaches in our life. They landed on our shoulder uninvitedly. Sometimes it's work pressure, sometimes it's broken relationship, sometimes it's fear of losing something we love, sometimes it's people who are criticizing us. So what should we do? We respond. Don't react. When things go wild, I will tell you what happened with us. We form up like this. Sledging, criticizing, conspiring, pulling us down, make us react. Now see this water bottle. It doesn't matter how much you shake it. It never forms up. It always calms down. So my dear friend, there will always be a situation in our life which is not in our favor. We should be a water bottle, not a soda can. A great personality like Nelson Mandela, Winston Churchill or Mahatma Gandhi are not born in maternity ward. Nurse didn't came and said to their parents, "See, a great president is born in your family. Or a great freedom fighter is born in your family." A great personality is born with the choices they make in their life. To respond, not react. To be a water bottle, not a soda can. All these sounds great. And everybody will say like, "Yes, I want to be a water bottle. I want to be a Nelson Mandela or Winston Churchill." Is it so easy? No. If you are not strong spiritually, it's impossible. That's why believing in someone is greater than ourselves. Whether it's Jesus, Muhammad or Krishna is important. That's why reading Bible, Quran or Gita is so important. That is why going to church, mosque or temple is so important. Because if you are strong spiritually, You respond, not react. Thank you.